is out at the low.
Drizzle, you fucking me, my front line.
I understand. I'm on my way.
Do you need help from Dressel with everything?
Well, I'm getting kind of encircled now.
Romania, everything to Greece. Everything. Take it off the east.
What'd you say?
Some gay shit.
Everything to Greece.
I feel like you're salty there, Mr. Dressel.
Trying to organize this shenanigan, but like...
Are you the Galactic Senate Chancellor? The Galactic Senate decided to think I am the Galactic Senate.
Ryan, can you accept that?
I don't see. Oh.
No.
Oh yeah, sure.
No. No. No.
What?
Total
Will I die?
Exploding Swiss new...
Ryan,
No.
accept
No. 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 That is
Wait.
bull. You're
Wait,
exploiting Swiss neutrality,
Ryan,
which is...
Hold on, Dressel, shut up, hold on, Dressel.
I swear to
If
God.
I
Ryan,
give
unacceptable.
them permission, can I give you permission as well?
Yes, do it right on, do it right on.
No.
Do it.
Swiss
You got 20 seconds,
neutrality.
Ryan, you got 20 seconds, otherwise I'll...
Swiss
Oh, except-
neutrality.
Yo, Renner accept mine too, yo.
Right on, you gotta accept.
Renner
I'm
accept
gonna
it.
accept Britons.
Oh. Oh my God.
Écoutez,
Do it. See you, boys.
bougez-vous. Punt into Germany.
I literally just made it out with my takes.
Son of a...
Gardez vos distances.
She.
I love you,
What
Ryan.
are you gonna do, Drizzle? What are you gonna do?
Yeah, this is supposed to be a no meme game, but you know, we got fucking this shit.
It's
No
this meme
meme game.
mod.
Drizzle, you're
Access
autistic.
Poland.
He literally gave a military access.
Oh, this is a beef game.
Swiss neutrality.
I'm Drizzled. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna
The only thing
Wait, Drizzle,
historically,
accept that.
Swiss